Put a burping towel on your chest to wipe up the mess and to protect your clothes while feeding. Sit comfortably and place the baby upright in your lap with their back against your stomach and chest. Hold the bottle in an horizontal angle and be sure that the milk fills the entire nipple so that your baby isn't gulping lots of air, which may result in gases and fussiness. After feeding, let's proceed to burping. There are 3 ways of burping. First is the shoulder burping. Gently tap or rub the baby's back. Second is the sitting down burping. And lastly, the prone or the lap burping. Gently rub the back of the baby